Now for showing the site offline or site under maintenance or coming soon page. So simply I'll click on this site offline. So here you can check it. So here's some functionality you can see over here. And for the complete functionality, you have to purchase this plugin as well. So here just we can come over here and we can see enable site offline mode. So it is now disabled. So we'll be making it enable from here. And if any logo or title you want to show from here, simply you can add that image or logo and display logo, yes. So, and site offline. So here the message we can change site under maintenance or coming soon, right? So we type this one, and now here the message you can type anything like whatever the maintenance you are doing, like will be live with, or something somewhere you can show the time at what time your website is going to be live, right? Then you have to click on save settings, and if you want to show the countdown or SEO or design the other thing, if you want to see, you can check over here, and according to you, you can select the color. So this is the custom CSS for the to be added. So but don't worry on this one. Here you can change the background or the color you can select. Then coming to dashboard, the same thing. Now SEO. So here you can add the favicon or you can write the title as well. So the same thing again it will be here. Now you can show the countdown timer. So here you can set the date on what date your website will be live. For example, like 28. And here you have to click on save settings. Then simply you can go on the social, and here you can add your Facebook URL, Twitter URL, like that. And here you can add your contact information, right? So email ID. So all these things which you are uploading over here, it will be visible to your site. So simply we have saved the things, and check once again. We'll be clicking on save settings. Now we'll be going to the front side of our website and checking what the message is coming. I have pasted the website details, we'll press enter, and we'll see what the message is coming. Okay, alright. So here we can see what it is showing, site under maintenance. And the message we wrote here, we will be live very soon. The countdown has started now, and the simply the details, contact details, and email ID is coming. So like that way, you can show your site offline.